A very good morning to all, one and all present here. I am Akriti from BBA AKU 6th semester batch 1, present here to give a presentation in service marketing with my team member Shubham, Shivanshu, Krit and Ritu. First of all, I would like to thank Sujit sir for giving me this opportunity to stand here for giving a presentation. Today our topic is service quality gap model. So introducing the topic, I would like to explain what is service quality gap model. Quality customer service can help companies retain their current customers, increase revenue and grow their business in the market. The gap model of service quality is a framework professionals use to analyze customer satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. It is a group effort in an organization to maintain the customer satisfaction at the best level. For proceeding the presentation, I would like to call Krit for explaining the gaps.
Thank you for calling me. My name is Krit Ranjan. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. First, I will explain the knowledge gap. The knowledge gap defines the customer expectations and customer perceptions that what company understands the customer needs. The gap arises between the company and the customers, that company doesn't aware about the market conditions or customer needs, what they want, expect. Their customers' expectations from the companies, that gap arises between that lack of awareness of market condition, failure to understand the market between the management and customer facing employees, little focus on relationship management, and a failure to understand the customer relationship. Now I would like to call Akriti for the next explanation.
So, with the perspective of company, there is a policy gap. पॉलिसी गैप क्या होता है? सर्विस डिलीवरी पॉलिसीज और अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ कस्टमर नीड्स के बीच में जो गैप होते हैं वो सर्विस पॉलिसी गैप कहलाते हैं. पॉलिसी गैप बेसिकली एक डिफरेंस बिटवीन है कि कस्टमर को क्या कंपनी ने सोचा है कि ऐसा कस्टमर का एक्सपेक्टेशन होगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंग पॉलिसी बनाई है, लेकिन वो कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पा रही है जो भी कंपनी पॉलिसी प्रोवाइड करी है कस्टमर को. बेसिकली पॉलिसी गैप अराइजेस ड्यू टू द understanding the customer needs and the lack of policies made in the company. Second gap is the delivery gap. Delivery gap basically arises between the service delivery and service delivery policies. ये भी थोड़ा सा सिमिलर है पॉलिसी गैप के अकॉर्डिंग. What the service delivery policies and a company has made and what the customer perceived at the time of service delivery and when the customer reached in an organization to perceive that service. To address the delivery gap and policy gap, we must understand the customer needs properly, and then we should make our policy for satisfying the customer. For explaining the communication gap, I would like to call Ritu.
Communication gap. The communication gap arises between what customer get promises at the time of advertisement and what the customer get delivered at the time of purchase the product. This gap occur due to the following reason of over promising and insufficient communication. This gap should be addressed by addressing the product and promises made. This gap should be use the reality of the advertisement about the product and use the real customer expectation. Now I could call Shivanshu.
Morning everyone, I am Shivanshu and I am going to deliver a reliability rater model. So firstly we'll see rater model. So firstly rater is an acronym. So we'll see rater model. Rater model is the acronym which stands for reliability, assurance, tangibility, empathy and responsiveness. So reliability stands for delivering services as promised to our customers. It means delivering services as promised and without any errors. So assurance means maintaining the trust and confidence of the customers and maintaining that safety and security in the services. Third one is tangibility. Tangibility means meeting the physical appearance of the customers that can lead to customer satisfaction. Now I would like to call the Shubham for the rest. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivanshu. So I will explain empathy. Empathy means relationship between employees and customer and the ability to provide a caring and personalized service. Now next is responsiveness. It means that willingness to provide timely, high quality service to meet customers' need. So that's all, and I would like to call Akriti for the conclusion part.
Concluding the presentation, what is basically gap model? Gap model is a framework that facilitates the analysis of customer needs and maintaining the customer satisfaction and improving the customer satisfaction day by day. There are some measures using which we can improve the customer quality gap model and we can increase the customer satisfaction. First of all, there should be a feedback system in an organization to remove the quality gap. And then after, there should be proper feedback and the regular analysis of the customer needs in the market. By using these methods, we can decrease the quality gap in the organization and improve the level of customer satisfaction. Thank you to all.